welcome to Letsdesigncad. Today you will see how to make different views, different orthographic views of a speed cone or a stepped pulley which is made up of cast iron. So on the left side of the screen you're seeing an isometric view, and on the right side of the screen this is basically the sectional front view of a stepped pulley. So hatching it on the upper side, main hidden lines, and here it is. And the next is our top view of a stepped pulley, and this is how we make. Zooming it a little, you can see it clearly now. So this is how. So this is how we make different views of a speed cone. So if you have any doubts, do write in the comment box. Do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload any video. Have a great day.